Don't squint.
We're just doing makeup. Has he done it? Has he done it correctly, Daz?
Yes. He's
Right,
looking good.
hog roast.
Hog roast. Castlemoor Farm hog roast.
And we're your neighbours. We're next door selling gin. So, Mark, obviously your hog roasts are only legendary and fantastic. But the $1 million question today, Mark, is how do you get the perfect crackling? And you are a guru. Go for it.
Firstly, you've got to have a good chef. Secondly, you've got to have a good pig. Third, score a pig. Nice, long, straight scores with a sharp knife, probably a sand knife or a scalpel.
Yep.
When the scores are all down, boiling water, kettle off, straight on the pig, pour slowly over, opens the scores up. Then a cupful of ordinary salt, rub all over.
Does that not make it really salty?
No, it's, a cupful in the whole pig is just about right. No, not a big cupful, no, it doesn't have to be a mug. Nice cupful, just all you need. And slowly roast in a dry oven. It's got to be a dry oven. If it's a damp atmosphere in the oven, you will not get crackling. So,
Fantastic.
We like to cook our pigs for at least 12 hours. They slowly stew in their own juice. Perfect crackling every time.
Fantastic. I'm going to put this on YouTube for you guys. And hog roast.
Weddings, events, shows.
Don't get me much call for bar mitzvahs.
And bar mitzvahs. Thanks, guys.
We'll be going on Twitter and Instagram anytime soon.
Cheers.